Need to save a file from Dropbox to your computer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download individual files, multiple files, and entire folders, plus where to find your downloads afterward. Let's get started. First, open Dropbox in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, browse to the folder where your file is stored. You can also use the search bar if you already know the file name. To download one file, find it in your Dropbox folder and open its options menu. Choose Download and your browser will save a copy to your computer. Depending on your browser, you may see the file appear in the Downloads area. If you need several files, select the items you want and choose Download. Dropbox may package multiple files into a zip archive before downloading them. This makes it easier to move several files at once. You can also download a complete folder. Open the folder's options menu and select Download. Dropbox will generally prepare the folder as a zip file, so you can save the entire folder structure in one download. After the download finishes, open your browser's Downloads section or your computer's Downloads folder. If you downloaded a zip file, you'll need to extract it before opening the files inside. Just right-click the zip and choose the extraction option available on your computer. On a phone or tablet, open the Dropbox app and find the file you need. Tap the Options menu and look for the available Save or Export option. The exact wording can vary depending on your device and app version. Before closing Dropbox, open the downloaded file and make sure it works correctly. If it's a zip archive, extract it first and check the contents. If a download fails, try again after confirming your internet connection is stable. And that's how you download files from Dropbox. You can grab one file, several files, or an entire folder, then save everything locally for offline use. So that's all you need to know to get your Dropbox files onto your device.